Hi everyone, in this video we'll make a poor man's turntable. It has 4 components: a 12-inch diameter circle, a 10-inch diameter circle, a washer, and a wire nail. Each board has a 1/16 inch hole drilled through the center. Please see my other video to learn how to cut these circles. I'll leave a link in the description below. First we'll cut the wire nail and make sure it is less than the thickness of the 2 boards pinched together. Next we'll insert the wire nail into the center hole from the bottom face of the bottom or 10-inch diameter board. Then we'll place a piece of tape on the nail head on the bottom of the board, and we'll secure the nail in place with super glue. The tape under the board will prevent any glue from leaking out below. Allow time for the glue to set and bond. Place the washer around the nail, and then install the top board to complete your turntable. As an option, you can install rubberized feet or bumpers on the bottom surface of your turntable to protect the table surface that you'll be placing this on. And there you go, the poor man's turntable for lightweight objects, perfect for a photography turntable. If you like this video, please click the like button and consider subscribing. Thanks.